Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing? This is Had back on KKCA with another interesting Cinema 4D tutorial, and in today's video I just wanted to say that I'm really sorry because I was gone for a while and I clearly was busy doing interesting things like sleeping and wasting time and chilling out with my friends. So yeah, I'm just back on the track, and today's video is gonna be our, I don't know, maybe 10th or 11th video of our comprehensive introduction to Cinema 4D. So if you missed out on any of my previous videos, then make sure to check the playlist in the description, for you will have a complete understanding on Cinema 4D. So in today's video we're going to talk about texturing, and I'm going to be showing you how to create this cobblestone floor just by using textures and nothing else. Alright, and this is what it was before. This is going to be the end result of our render. So I really hope that it's gonna be so awesome. And a really good website to get these textures would be polygon.com, and that's exactly where I got these textures, and they are like 60k. I mean, that's super interesting and very high quality. And this is no sponsoring or anything. I'm not paid to do this video. I'm just trying to help you out and recommend some good websites for you. Anyway, so yeah, let's go ahead and delete this texture or move it somewhere else. Maybe put it on the light, yeah, like it's gonna matter. Anyway, okay. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is double click on this one to create a texture, or you can just go to create, then texture, new material, and then double click on it, and you're gonna see like a bunch of channels. Like there's gonna be the color channel, so just open that up and go to your textures where you've downloaded them, and then you're gonna see that this one has like COL, meaning like an abbreviation for color, and it has two variations, this one and this one. And I think that I used this second one, so just open that up and you can choose whichever one you want to, and just apply it, take it and apply it on the plane that you created. And yeah, if you give it a render, you're gonna see, yeah, it's looking awesome already. But maybe this is not exactly how you want your texture to be like, because you're gonna instantly notice that there are some very creepy distortions happening. And a way to fix that is if you click on this texture and go to projection, change it to maybe cubic, and increase this one to, let's say, 400 by 400, or yeah, that's a little bit extreme, so 200 by 200. And the texture projection is going to depend on the type of model that you have, or the type of model that you're going to apply your texture on. So for my example, it's cubic, okay, or I can just go for UV mapping and then just make it 100, and yeah, play a little bit with the width, make it a little bit wider, so this way it looks more real, okay, and close to reality. And give it another render to see what's happening. Okay, I think that I'm liking this one much better. And then we're gonna add some displacement map, so just click and check displacement and load a texture. You're gonna see that in the end this has displacement. No, this one is ambient occlusion, reflection, normal maps, glossiness, displacement. Yeah, this one is displacement. Then load that up, and then it's gonna be okay. Or yeah, I don't want to save it because I won't really need it. So just make sure the strength is set to maybe 50, or it really depends on the type of project you're working on. Maybe let's go for 50. Then the height is 3 centimeters. No, what the fuck am I doing? And you're gonna see that this is not really bad at all. Or let's just make the strength 100. Okay, and the height, let's set it to 2 centimeters. Alright, now it's time for a normal map. And then okay, load a normal map, and the normal map is usually gonna look like this, unless it's like a height map, which is another type of normal maps. and we're gonna see some major improvement in the quality, and we didn't do anything, we just loaded textures. So you can clearly see that textures are really powerful and 3D software. And now I think that it's time to load up some bump maps. So do the same. I think we don't have bump map, but we can use the one from displacement. So yeah, use that too, and make the strength a little bit like this. Maybe it's a 30 render rate. That's pretty interesting. We're getting there. Alright, so now it's time for adding some reflection. So just delete this one, reflection specular, and add a reflection legacy. And then when we see texture, just click on it and load the texture. This is gonna be glossiness, displacement, reflection. Yeah, reflection. And I don't want to save it. And then if you give it a render like this, you're not gonna see quite a lot of details or reflections. That's because your roughness is set to a low value. Just increase that a little bit and you're gonna see our specular strength too. We want it to be a little bit high. And yes, let's see. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A cobblestone floor texture just by adding textures. Let me just show you one tip so we can really see just what's happening. If you uncheck the color, you're gonna see like this is exactly what's happening besides the adding the color. Okay, so let's give it a render and see. You're gonna instantly see that even this is interesting. Maybe you can make an abstract looking thing from it, or I don't know, it's your fucking thing. I mean, I just showed you that you can do it. And that was the end of today's video.